see it right there, rotating rapidly. We get a report of a tornado on the ground in New Albany. Folks, you got to be in your basement for this one. We've got dangerous weather in and around the News Channel 32 viewing area right now. From very powerful cells. Look at that very pronounced wall cloud right there. And just a few minutes ago, police, an actual confirmed report, sheriff's department, tornado on the ground in the New Albany area. Tornado is moving off to the east and the northeast around 20 miles an hour. That's very powerful cells for the tracking. If you could, I'd like to track these cells. Let's pull it alive, scoop it out with 32 radar. And look at them. Here's the first one that we're looking at. This is now right here in the Albany area, in this particular supercenter of the storm. It is moving off through the east northeast. It's moving around 20 miles an hour. Let's put the track right there to get it right there. So we'll put it right there on the Albany camp. Let's move it off towards the east. Okay, these are communities in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm. Clarksville, Waterfront Park area, which will take it again across the stream northern Jefferson County. Southern part of the so we're hang with this right now. If you're anywhere in extreme southern Indiana, we're talking Clark County, northern Jefferson County, even in Oldham County, you need to be in the basement right now. Can be estimated.
Sorry, Grammy. I don't know if I can see her. Sorry. Yeah.
So again, tornado warning now on all over the place. Look at the
preview
left
it.
hand portion of the screen. Everything's shaded in red.
Yeah.
Those are the tornadoes.
Big cloud. I don't see it. She's moving straight across though.
Yeah, but that's what you were showing on TV. Like that's how it started. They're calling them a wall cloud. I don't know if I should be recording. I'm shaking.
Give me a
Number of
Go ahead.
really rotating now. A very strong cell rotating right there.
I'll run down to the store. There's a big bad boy.
On the radar aspect there, very close to Northtown. And there is the strong circulation reaching out into the living sections of Harrison County.
We talked to a gentleman over there named Charles Parsons. Saw a fairly large fall, V-shaped cloud coming across the rooftops there. He says that that V-shaped cloud actually touched the roof of Kitchen Compact. You know, that part of the roof of that plant, and
The Amplified Pantene Pro Vitamin formula penetrates deep into every strand. Hair looks 35% thicker and feels stronger. Guaranteed. Get your back to looking fully thick again.
Where are you going?
New Pantene Full and Thick. That's the beauty of health.
It's the CVS Summer of Fun. New strangers move into the Big Brother house. We got big surprises for them.
Bring it on, let's go.
No privacy, no outside content. They have no idea what they're in for. Keep off the summer vibes with the CVS Summer of Fun. Big Brother 5 from your CVS Tuesday, July 6th.
No, we don't usually have it out, do we?
You tricked us, didn't you? You took me a minute, threw it that away. Got them all by yourself, didn't you? Angel.
Amazing.
Help them. It's not too often you have her help. It's three of you against one.
What they doing?
Over here.